Lysol Lime and Rust Toilet Bowl Cleaner. I find this very helpful because I have hard water stains. This Lysol Lime and Rust, it takes it away. You can see how it clings to the toilet bowl and it'll work itself down. I let it sit for just a second because it really does do the work for you, so you don't have to scrub it as much. And it really works on that hard line, the hard water line. Not only does it do that, but it also just gets it sparkling clean. So easy to use this. And you can tell by the water that it really does have some chemical in there that works very well getting the rust and the lime away. So if you're looking for a toilet bowl cleaner for hard water stains, look no further.